Good morning everyone. My name is Shanti. I am studying 6th at KB School. Now I am going to present a topic on enter data in Excel. Shift place, con- control place, shift place, semicolon, time, control place, semicolon, date, control place, semicolon, date. John to if you drag John, automatically fill. Thank you.